Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Knscarbrough. We are back with another Exquisite Football break. It is Thursday the 2nd of June, 4:11 p.m. Eastern Time. Normally we have these ready to break on Wednesdays, but Memorial Day screwed everything up, so it's a day late. All I ask is that you please disregard the case worth of Bowman on the table. There we go. Fresh sealed box. Number 650, if you can see that. Let's go for another good box. First couple have been nice.
You can really see all the bone on the table too. The box won't win.
And another box.
More plastic wrap. Too, not just a box, but sealed.
Alright, here we go. First up, the Rare Materials card.
Troy Aikman.
Aikman. It's numbered out of 60.
It's the first one of those I've seen without helmet. It's patch though.
Jersey, patch. Got a Minnesota Viking. Christian Ponder out of 99. Michael Turner base card out of 35. Denver Bronco. Demarius Thomas.
Number out of 99.
99. Can't tell who this is.
Sean Canfield.
Sean Canfield. New Orleans Saints.
Number out of 65.
It's a nice card. Sick card. Javid Best, rookie patch auto. Numbered out of 120.
Where's the number in your head? Oh, there it is. Look what we've got.
Rookie bookmarks. It's Demarius Thomas and Aurelius Ben. Dual auto on the
95 out of 99.
on the jersey. And last but not least, Deshaun Jackson. Nasty patch.
Camera's not wanting to focus.
That is
50.
numbered 46 out of 50.
Okay.
Alright. There we have it. We will be getting these out to you shortly.